guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always say if you can't get it to make, then make it make. Where I try to be as resourceful as possible with what I have in the house without having to spend money, which is always good and actually makes things pretty fun when it comes to thinking things up and trying to make it make. So today's video, I thought I'd just show you guys how I deep clean my floors. I've been cleaning homes on and off for a while now, including my own home, and this is just the best way that I've been able to get my floors very, very clean. And most of the people that I do this for when I was cleaning homes were very happy with this method. And it's not a secret, guys. Like, once you see it, you're gonna be like, oh, really? Wow, that was it. But honestly, I'm so surprised on how many people don't do this anymore. It surprises me. The reason why I choose this method is because after a while, the Swiffer, the mop, it just does not get the floors clean the way that I particularly like them to be. Now, obviously, every time I go to clean the floors, I don't use this method, but if I need a deep clean after a while, this is what I normally would go to. So with that said, let's get to the video.
The first thing I like to do before I start is make sure that all the chairs are lifted up off the floor, so that way I can get all of the dirt that's underneath the table when I sweep. Next, I grab my broom and start sweeping. I try to get all the nooks and crannies because this is a deeper sweep, get things off the floor, getting ready for a good deep cleaning mop. Next, I fill up a bucket with extremely hot water. I mean, honestly, as hot as my hands can stand it. If nothing else, if I had no cleaner, hot water will help break up the dirt. But I did choose a cleaner. It is the Myers multi-purpose cleaner, and that is really good for all the surfaces in my house, so that is the cleaner of my choice. Next is just a little bit of elbow grease and gloves, but I forgot mine, so there goes that. Okay, so now we need a rag. A rag for your bucket of water. Wring out your rag really well, feeling that nice heat in there. That way, as we start wiping down our floors, it'll just pick up all of that dirt. Keep in mind when doing this type of work, it's a lot of work. It's pretty labor intensive. So there are ways that you can help your back and your knees when you do this type of work. Having an impact mat is incredibly helpful for when you're doing this type of cleaning. It aids you with your knees and your back and just helps support you while you're doing your work. If you don't have a mat, a folded towel is just fine. I fold it over about 3 times over, and it works just as well as any type of impact mat. Keep in mind when you're cleaning to keep an eye on the water. If it's brown and dirty, change it, please. The last thing you want to do is, wipe down your floors with brown, muddy, dirty water. So by all means, please rinse out your water, change it out, and go back at it again. And here's the end results, nice and clean and nice and shiny.
Okay, so as you can see, that was a fairly simple method on how to clean your floors. I know it wasn't anything big or exciting, but it was pretty old school, and that is what has worked for me. It's a bucket, some hot water, and a cleaner of your choice. And to simplify it even more, even if you didn't have a cleaner, a bucket of water, hot water, really does pick up a lot of dirt. You'd be surprised. You don't always need a cleaner. But either way, I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed using this method, even if it's only once in a while. I definitely still use a broom and a mop, but when I really want to get the floors clean, that is the method that I have used and have used for other people, and they've been very, very pleased with it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.